Hi everyone, welcome to School. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to generate XPath by using ChatGPT and AI assistance. In automation testing, one small thing can waste a lot of time writing XPath, whether you are a beginner or an experienced tester. Creating the perfect XPath for dynamic elements is often consuming and time consuming. I will tell you how you can generate XPath by using ChatGPT and AI. So let's begin. Open ChatGPT. Suppose you want to generate XPath for name, email, phone number, message, or for this send to customer care button. So right click here, inspect. This is input. ID is equal to name and name is equal to name. Suppose you want to generate XPath by using ChatGPT. Copy, right click here, copy, and then click on copy outer HTML. Open ChatGPT and type here generate XPath locators for the following element, and then first is absolute XPath, and second is relative XPath. And the HTML is input ID is equal to name is equal to name. Just click on send. For the given element absolute XPath, you can view here absolute XPath. HTML body input and ID is equal to name, and the relative XPath is input ID is equal to name. Let's verify this relative XPath. For verifying, just Control F and then click on. Here you can view this field is highlighted. You can view here name ID is equal to name. So it means this is correct XPath. Now, same as well, we can generate XPath for email. Right click here and then click on inspect. ID is equal to email and name is equal to email. Copy and then click on copy outer HTML. Open ChatGPT and just type here. Here we instruction generate XPath. Click on send, and here you can view absolute XPath and relative XPath. Control F, and here you can view this area is highlighted input ID is equal to name is equal to email. Same as well, we can verify relative XPath, and here you can view recommended is relative XPath. Input ID is equal to email, name is equal to email. By using ChatGPT, you can generate XPath. Now, I will show you how you can generate XPath by using AI assistance. By generating XPath using AI assistance, just right click here, inspect. First, you need to enable this setting. Click on this setting. You can view here settings and then click on AI innovations. AI innovations and enable this option. AI assistance get help with understanding CSS styles. Just enable. Now we can generate XPath by using AI assistance. First, we will cancel this one. Click on inspect. Click on AI assistance, and here you can view ask about the selected element. Suppose we have highlighted this option, and here you can view input hash phone dot input. Now we want to generate XPath for this element, which is phone. XPath locator for the following element. Just click on send, and here we can view analyzing and generate XPath locator. This is XPath. Now we can verify this whether it's working or not. So we can search here, and this area has been highlighted. It means this XPath is correct. If you want to generate XPath or email, just right click here, inspect, copy outer HTML. And other option you can view, can you show me how to use this XPath locator in our DevTools script? You can also use this option. Now we will just generate XPath for email. Here we will type generate XPath for the element. We just paste HTML here. Input ID is equal to name, name is equal to email, and just click on send. Analyzing the prompt and generate XPath. You can view here input slash email and XPath generated successfully. Enter here, and this area has been highlighted. By using this AI assistance, you can generate easily relative and absolute benefits of generating XPath using ChatGPT and AI. It saves time. Instead of manually analyzing HTML structure, we can generate XPath by using ChatGPT. It reduces human errors. AI helps avoid common XPath mistakes like incorrect or missing attributes. So that's how ChatGPT and AI assistants can help you generate XPath easily and efficiently. Instead of spending hours fixing locators, you can now focus more on test logic and automation design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQL World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.